Getting insurance can be a total headache, but with Geico, it doesn't have to be. Let's dive into how to score your Geico insurance policy, step by step. First things first, head over to the Geico website or download the app you can usually find either by searching online. This is where the magic begins, right here. Step 1, you'll see a prominent Get a Quote button. Usually on their homepage, click it, and let's get started. The next step involves entering some basic information, like your zip code, the type of insurance you need. Car, home, or motorcycle are common choices, and the details about whatever you need covered. Step 3, after you provide those initial details, Geico will give you options for coverage. Look at options like liability coverage and collision. Consider your needs and budget to figure out which option is right for you. Step 4, once you've finalized your coverage choices, Geico will present you with your quote. The price and exact plans offered differs depending, so make sure to do some research to ensure it's the coverage you need. If you're happy with the details, you can finalize the policy by following the on-screen instructions that will usually involve providing more details and submitting your information. Congratulations! Just like that, you have yourself a Geico policy for peace of mind. Don't forget to customize your coverage to suit your unique needs.